We are looking at the town of Batlow from the Batlow Lookout. Check it out. We are in apple country. You can actually pick your own apples that you want to buy from this orchard. Look how full the trees are. They do make cider as well, so we're going to give that a shot. Batlow has the giant apple. This apple is on a hill overlooking the apple orchards. Look at the rock wall built and the ruins of the cottage built in 1870. They built themselves a little cobblestone walkway. Awesome. Chimney there from kitchen cooking, no doubt. One here for warmth. This is the furnace, and it leads up to that chimney above. The remains of a water wheel that was built in 1870. The old Royal Hotel. It doesn't have a date on it though, but it's very nice. Adelong Theater. Tumut Broom Factory since 1946. We are looking at 3 water buffaloes. Everything chocolate and licorice and lots of fruit. This is Grant's childhood favorite. They're called freckles. They're chocolate full of fairy sprinkles. Looks like somebody's taking something home with them. Look at that smile. is full of gorgeous old hotels. This is the Loftus. And right across the street here, we have the commercial for the construction, but you can still see how enormous and beautiful the Junee train station was and still is. Inside the Loftus Hotel. Old piano. And ice cream stand. The dining room looks very grand.